We're finally at the racetrack, Riley.
Yeah,
What's going on here?
Waiting all summer.
We're at Interlake Dragway. We're here to see what we can do with Riley's Mustang. 400 wheel. Has to put us in the 11s.
That's what we're open for.
Has to. How deep? I don't know. There's a dog having a shit.
We'll see how the 4L60 holds up today.
Fingers crossed.
Expect the worst, hope for the best.
You got your tune-up in there? You upped your
yeah, drag race tune.
Your RPM to what? 64 or something?
Yeah, that's something I'll have to kind of play with today because the 1-2 shift is manual, but it's a bit delayed with the electronic. Like,
2-3.
Yeah, it'd be shifting around 6,800, but well, I don't know. That's kind of the only thing we'll be playing with throughout the day because since we got a dyno, we know the timing and fueling is where it needs to be. So
yeah, all our adjustment is in the front struts. So
yeah,
I think we're gonna start on what, 7?
7, I think. Yeah.
If all's good there, maybe we'll keep tightening it up and see if we can get that 60 foot down to on the foot brake.
I mean, it hooks good on the street with cold tires, so it should be no problem.
Do we dial in some more rear brake on the proportioning valve?
I think it's all the way.
Is it? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll see you guys in the staging lanes here right away. Did I say staging? Stingy? Staging? First pass of the day.
I got to on the foot brake. Kind of felt like it might have been 2,500, which is kind of what I was guessing. But yeah, that left like way quicker than last year. Felt quick all the way through the pass. Yeah, that felt good. The 1-2 shift was probably a little early because right now it's manual 1-2 shift, but it's a little delayed, so it's kind of hard to get it where I want it, and I don't have a shift light. So what I might do the next pass is just leave it in drive and let the computer do all the work.
Alright, here comes Riley for his slip. Let's try and get his reaction.
Let's see. Is that 1170s?
Holy fuck, bro.
I left like crazy.
I think you kind of can improve your 60. What'd you get? A 1.8?
61.8.
Yeah.
I think I'll let the computer do the 1-2 shift and just leave it in drive because I think I bumped it a little early there.
Oh, right on. Congrats.
But yeah, felt fast.
So we got the log pulled up here.
Yeah, so that was, I did a manual shift 1-2, and then I kind of just throw it in third and the computer shifts on its own. But see, looking, this red line here is the shift point. So the 1-2 shift is only at 6,000. So I make power to like pretty much 6,800. So we'll let the computer control that. Same with the 2-3 shift, 6,600. So it's pretty good. Maybe
yeah, I'd do that alone.
And then yeah, we kind of ended the pass perfectly at peak horsepower.
Next run is going to be a grudge race against this fucking bohozo. And your Acadian, what year? 60, 63. Big cubic inch, small block Chevy, nitrous, all the...
Not on nitrous, it's NA. I wouldn't do that to the kids.
So they each had one test pass. Christian went 11:63. Riley went 11:76.
And Riley
gets the lead.
Yeah.
So just.
I am coming right after you
It's all
leave.
about the mind game.
As soon as you leave.
Remember how I told you to work those plates? This guy's burned me down so many times in his Trans Am, it's not even funny. So. All right, so this is the car Riley has to grudge race. Big inch, small block. On a little 235.
Look at how small those tires are.
Stretch 235s.
7-inch rim. It's the same exact size as, well, I'm not going to say.
Got a whole $50 on this race. Double balled them, I like it. Bracket car.
See, but did you see how, like, he hesitated when he left, but
Yeah.
then it's kind of like I don't know if the car is stuttering kind of, or he's.
Definitely, the car started moving way earlier than I wanted, but still got him.
Like a bracket car.
Yeah.
All right, good job.
I don't know if I triggered the beam a little early or not.
Maybe.
Man, it's fun.
Really?
Yeah, I like it feels fast now.
Exact same time, 11:76, same mile an hour, 119. So, I don't know, there's a chance I triggered the beam a little early. The 60 foot was just a little slower, 188. But felt good again, so I guess next time I'll just try to get that foot brake a little higher and I'll check where all the shift points are at.
All right, so we're coming up for pass number 3 here.
Yeah.
We were looking at the data last pass, and wow, what does it look like?
So the wideband says it's really rich, like 9 air fuel, but looking at the narrow bands, they're like 0.88 and 0.87, which is about 12.8-ish, which is kind of what we want. So
I don't know if the wideband's
kind of getting thrown
sensor's
off
on its
or-
way out or what, but basically we made no changes from last pass here. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try launch off idle and see if we can get the converter to flash a little higher. I don't know.
Test it out.
Doesn't hurt to try it.
11.7, so picked up 0.6. A little better. Thanks. A little better 60 foot than the first pass. It was 1.80. I think the first pass was 1.81. So foot braking or not, didn't seem to make a huge difference.
All right, Riley's just sucking back a banana right now.
Perfect time to start recording.
So what happened there last pass? Went the fastest it went all day.
It's still, I don't know how much you can notice in the videos, but when I give it a kind of, RPM goes up a bit and kind of flatlines for a quick second, then takes
A
off.
little flat spot in there.
So
We gotta.
trying to get rid of that. It ran pretty much identical to when I foot braked it to about 22. So I think next pass I'll try foot brake it to about that again.
Break 120 today and get an 1150. Damn it.
1150.
We wanted to get
bit
a
of a
don't come
stretch.
back till you have a roll bar
That'd be
warning.
nice, yeah. Happily get kicked out.
All right, well, we'll see. I don't know what the temperature's doing, but it's kind of hot.
I think 180 is what I left at there.
Oh, I meant me, like in the sun.
Car's not doing bad.
All right, pass number 4 coming up.
I'd like to say it was a little quicker than the last pass, which was 11.70. And the last pass too, I kind of let off at the beams rather than driving through, but this time I definitely made sure I drove right through. 11.66, so going in the right direction.
Gonna get back in line or what? What's your 60 foot there?
179, so we're getting better. I'd like to be able to foot brake it a little higher so I can get a better 60 foot, but can't complain with how it's going so far, that's for sure.
Pass number 5.
Definitely foot brake did it quite a bit higher, pumping up the brakes helped there. From running 13s and 112 all last summer to getting 11s every pass, it's a big step up, so couldn't be happier with it this year. Let's see, 11.66, 118, so it's actually a little bit slower, which kind of surprises me, or mile an hour was slower. Definitely can't complain about that.
As you can see, we've vacated the premises. Last pass, we went another
66, yeah. Very consistent today. Had, like, 2 of the passes were like
didn't want to trailer it, so he's driving it back home.
Street car, so I'll grab it on.
Didn't even air up the rear tires on it. Street track.
Yeah.
All right, so no, it was a fun day. It's always good to get a new personal best.
Yeah.
1.2
seconds quicker.
quicker.
And running
A bunch of mile an hour, 15 mile an hour.
Yeah. Running 11s all day too. So.
Unfortunately, yeah, the converter's just a bit too tight. This chute, looking at the log and the way it pulls it down low. So, but there's no sense in putting another converter in this here because we'd like to upgrade to it for L80 anyhow. So the only other thing would be to put some nitrous there. The Roth does have some solenoids, switches, hoses.
We're all 60 minutes this car. So.
Yeah, might as well go with a bang, maybe. So, we'll see. We got lots of summer left. So I'm just standing in front of a Sherp. A Sherpy shirt. There's the word. Alright guys, well thanks for watching.
Yeah.
We're headed home. It was a hot day, lots of sun. Thanks for watching. Check you later. Cue the outro.